Hey guys, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. I figured since it's been about 7 months since I got my refurbished phone, I might as well give you guys a quick little update to see how it's doing, to see if I still have it, and if it's actually worth it to even buy refurbished phones. So if you haven't seen my first video, I made it about 7 months ago. I was really excited because I needed to upgrade my phone from the iPhone SE, and I decided to go through Sprint's refurbished program and get the iPhone 8 256 gigabyte gold phone. So I got that. See, everything seemed really great. I gave really close views of how it came. It had like a few little nicks on it, but nothing, you know, crazy or outrageous. And so I just wanted to give a little update. I still have the phone. It's right here. I'm showing this because this is the case that I got, and I actually got another case, and I'm going to open it up right now. So far, as you can see, I'll do close-ups of this so that you can see how my phone's doing, but I just have to take off this case right now because it is pretty much falling apart. But what I love about this, and so where I get my cases from is from Mercari. It's an online site kind of like Poshmark or eBay, and they have really affordable cases. They have affordable anything. It's basically reselling your items. So I got this case for about $7, and I mean, technically for 7 months, that's pretty good. So I just took the case off. The case was pretty much falling apart. I'm gonna leave it kind of intact as much as I can, just in case this other one that I got and haven't opened yet is not that great. So this is the new case that I got. I got the exact same one. I love the rose gold. I love that it's reflective because you can always just check if there's something in your teeth or whatever while you're on the go if you just need to look at yourself. So I'm just opening it right now. As you can see, it's pretty standard, and I love the bumper edges, honestly. And I'll just put it back on real quick so you can see. Hopefully this one fits. All right, and so here is the new one. Oh, it feels much better too. All the buttons and everything work. They have all the right openings. Let me check actually the camera just to make sure. Yep, that works. There's me. For the actual screen, I will say that I didn't get insurance on my phone because I just wanted to save some money. That's just how I am. If you know my channel, I'm just always looking to cut corners. And that's also very, you know, dangerous when you get phones, especially a refurbished one. I just decided not to get the insurance. But I will say I have dropped my phone so many times. It's really, really bad. But the screen protector that I have on it is amazing. It has a few nicks and stuff. As you'll see, I'll show a video closer up. But this thing is amazing. So I had the same type of case on my iPad. I dropped my iPad mini, of course, flat face down. And for the longest while, I just thought it was broken because I could see the cracks in the screen. And for some reason, I didn't know how thick the screen was that I got, the little screen protector. But I just thought like, oh, there's a nick here, a huge crack going down the middle. I really thought for sure that that's how the iPad mini actually looked. But one day I decided to just take off the screen protector to put a new one on. I took it off and my iPad screen was perfect. I literally was almost gonna get a new iPad mini because I was like, oh, I broke it, you know, but I took it off, replaced the screen protector, and realized that it actually was in really good condition. So I'm gonna show you. Here is the type of screen protector that I got. I got this also in Mercari. I'll probably list the pricing somewhere because I can't remember, but be sure it was under $10. This is by Bulk, B-U-L-K, I can't even really tell. It's tempered glass screen protector. It's for the iPhone 7, 8. Let's see. Nanostructured coating, tempered glass, explosive proof film, a silicone coating. It's amazing. So I have this backup one here. I'm not going to use it yet just because, you know, I've only had my phone for 7 months. And again, like I said, what's on my screen right now is, to me, not that bad. It's just a little bit on the side from, again, dropping it so much. I've realized now just how much I do drop my phone. I don't think it's that much, but I do have a little mini heart attack every time I do because I'm terrified of how it looks. What I will say though about the tempered glass, it doesn't cover everything. So there is a space, a groove around my phone and then the case. So that's a little bit of a problem. It doesn't go clean flush all the way from case to the screen. So, but so far I haven't hit it in that in that spot because again, the bumpers on the side kind of cover around it. Let me tell you a little bit about my plan and everything just so you guys know. I think I had answered them before, but I'll just tell you how my plan is. So with Sprint, I have a flex lease plan. So I pay for this phone $16.67 a month on top of like my bill. So my bill ends up coming out to about 80 something dollars each month. It's an 18-month lease program. So I have unlimited everything. I have unlimited data, phone, text, everything. I don't have to think about anything. It's all on there. I just pay whatever the flat rate is, plus the cost of the lease plan, taxes, etc. And my bill is under $100. I can't imagine paying over $100 a month for a cell phone. And then I have like a $5 off. Of course, you know me, I always add my coupons in. I have a $5 off because I'm a member of AAA. A battery life is great as long as what I do is that I don't have the Bluetooth on unless I absolutely need it. I don't turn it off and on nightly. I'm sure I could probably save some with that too. I'd say my phone lasts pretty much for the day. It just depends on what I'm doing. So if I'm on the internet a lot or watching videos or something like that, it will go out faster. But I haven't noticed anything where I'm like, oh my god, my battery just doesn't last. I don't feel like it moves slow or anything like that. But again, I went from the iPhone SE to this, so that was to me a big upgrade. Like the camera quality indoors is sometimes not that great, but outside it's beautiful, perfect, high end. I love it. It's still good quality, but it's just not obviously what you're seeing nowadays with the XR and stuff like that. Overall, I think this is a great medium. It's great for being affordable and the in-between before you're jumping to like the XR or so. And again, I have 256 gigs. I'm like not anywhere near there. I don't have any random shutdowns or things like that. I imagine that someone out there wanted to upgrade and so they just gave back their phone. It was in really great condition. Check out that other video. I was pretty impressed. I'm grateful that Sprint has that program. And then I just mailed back in my iPhone SE and maybe it's in the hands of someone else because it was kind of in okay condition. So everything else is looking good. As long as I don't keep dropping this, I think we'll be good. Let me know down below if you have any specific questions about this phone or the process. It was very easy. I, again, bought it in December. I highly recommend it. Obviously, I can only comment on the program through Sprint. I think someone mentioned in my first video, they said that the charger that was sent was like counterfeit or something like that. I mean, it's working, so it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.